when everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night. It's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand.
This is the most requested video ever. I am so sorry for the delay because I was very busy. I really want to thank every single one of you who reached out to me by email, IG, and Messenger. Thank you so much. I hope I answered all of your questions in this video. In this video, I am going to talk about your Christmas tree. How you can take your Christmas tree to the next level by using a lot of beautiful ornaments, some beautiful pics. Now, let's get it done like a boss. Happy holidays from my family to yours. If your Christmas tree is pre-lit, you can definitely add extra lights. I always add extra lights on my Christmas tree to make it more festive. You guys are asking me why I don't use a lot of ribbons on my Christmas tree. To be honest with you, I don't know. I prefer using a lot of beautiful ornaments, birds, such as peacocks, because I just love them. I think they are so beautiful. And some beautiful pics from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Macy's, and other places. Beautiful flowers, you can find them at Macy's, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Burlington. I use them on my tree because I just love them. This is the ribbon I use on my Christmas tree. I just love how everything turned out. I did a little DIY because I was looking for something unique. Please don't forget to let me know which Christmas tree is your favorite in the comment down below. Here are some tips on how to save your Christmas tree for years to come. The only thing I can tell you, it's not to bend the end of the branches. Just find you some beautiful ornament hooks. You can find them at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls, Target, and Amazon. Guys, this is my Christmas tree. As you can see, everything turned out so nice. Like I said, if you want your Christmas tree to be perfect, done like a pro, just get you some beautiful ornaments. I know they're expensive, but hey, you spend money to make money. How to decorate your mantle if your Christmas tree is next to your mantle. If your Christmas tree is next to your mantle, try to keep it simple. Do not add too much decor on your mantle. If you add in too much decor, then your Christmas tree won't be the focus point of your living room. Make your guests and your family feel very comfortable for this Christmas by adding a warm, cozy blanket on your sofa. Like I said in my previous video, if you think you're gonna have guests over and you're gonna spend time with them in your formal living room, try to keep your coffee table very simple by using a little touch of Christmas. Make your guests remember this holiday. For your staircase, make sure it complements your Christmas tree. That means if you're using a flock Christmas tree, make sure you're using a flock garland in your staircase. Especially if your house is an open floor plan. You want everything to complement each other very well. Like I said, Christmas, it's all about light. Adding more light, beautiful pics, beautiful ornaments in your staircase make a big statement. Welcome to my entryway. As you can see, my entryway is so simple. I add this beautiful wreath on the door. The wreath is from TJ Maxx And I add this bench from Amazon so my guests can sit down and take their shoes off. Your entryway is supposed to be wow, very, very welcoming, because this is the first thing your guests are going to see. Make your entryway for the rest of your home. A nice wall art or a large mirror can give you the look you are looking for. Like I said, if you are using a flock tree, make sure everything you are using is flock. Garland with some warm light, some beautiful ornaments, some acrylic pieces is the wow factor for your entryway. Welcome to my family room. The link for the speaker will be in my description box down below.
Promise I will always wait for you to go and find your own way. We don't have no time to lose. As the sun passes.
Guys, this Christmas tree is so beautiful. The link will be in my description box down below. This is a pre-lit Christmas tree. You can see the middle. I just add some, a little bit of light. Like I said, Christmas, it's all about light. As you can see, I don't have too many ornaments on this Christmas tree because I don't want to hide the beauty of it. This Christmas tree is so beautiful. Adding some beautiful crystal on a flock Christmas tree just add a big wow factor. Make this Christmas tree so beautiful. I just love how everything turned out. As you can see, I just put this Christmas tree in a big large vase from Home Goods. I know you guys are always asking me where all my ornaments are from. Some of them are from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Macy's, and some other places online. Thank you so much guys for your love and support. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know which tree is your favorite one in the comment down below. Guys, I never said you cannot use any ribbon on your tree. Yes, you can, because this is your tree at the end of the day. This is your home. You can do whatever you want to do with your tree. The only thing, I just want to share my ideas with you because you guys asking me a lot of questions. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video.
Gotta stand still right now, where I can see you. There's a feeling in my heart so strange. Baby, I don't want you to change. Just stay.
For some of you asking me what camera I use, I will put the link in the description box down below. What app I use to edit my video, I use Final Cut Pro. I pay separate for my transition. For thumbnail, I use PicMonkey. For music, I use Epidemic Sound. I hope this video give you what you're asking for, and I hope I answered all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time at the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Malé. Peace out.
You're a part of me now, inside sometimes. 'Cause I know that when you love someone, you should let them go. And everything will be okay. Promise I will always